The world is changing faster than we ever imagined. From ultra-realistic humanoids to flying cars, the line between science fiction and reality is blurring. Today, we look at the most groundbreaking innovations that are shocking the world. We begin with the next generation of humanoid robots designed for human interaction. The Real Lady Company has introduced full-scale silicone robotic figures made from medical-grade material. These robots meticulously mimic human skin texture, pores, and even veins. With internal metal frames and movable joints, they are becoming indistinguishable from real people, serving roles in stress relief and content creation. The evolution doesn't stop at appearance. In China, Unitree Robotics recently showcased 16 H1 humanoid robots performing a synchronous traditional dance. Controlled by advanced AI, these machines process spatial positioning in real time, moving with a grace once thought unique to humans. But intelligence is more than just movement. The Figure 01 robot recently demonstrated human-like reasoning. When asked for something healthy from a pile of snacks, it accurately identified and handed over an orange. This ability to perceive visual scenes and take logical actions marks a massive leap in robotics. Robots are also entering our homes and playgrounds. The Ambidex robot can now perform delicate tasks like peeling potatoes and opening bottles or even playing a game of basketball. In the world of sports, the Unitree G1 has emerged as a potential soccer player, reaching speeds of 7 kilometers per hour and handling fragile objects with its high-precision, 3-fingered hands. Even traditional arts are being mastered, as robots like Atom learn to write complex Chinese calligraphy with perfect accuracy. Transportation is also taking to the skies. China has unveiled an integrated ground-air electric vehicle, a true flying car that can travel on roads or fly at altitudes of 300 meters. Similarly, the Aeromobile 3.0 from Slovakia transforms from a luxury car into an airplane in just minutes. For shorter distances, the Hoverbike S3, a motorcycle quadcopter hybrid, is already being tested for high-speed police patrolling. In construction and defense, automation is increasing safety and efficiency. Raise Robotics has deployed platforms that allow workers to operate safely from the ground, while robots handle hazardous tasks on high-rise buildings. Meanwhile, the military is integrating autonomous ground vehicles like the Mission Master XT for reconnaissance and air defense, alongside heavy-duty mine-clearing vehicles like the M1150 assault breacher. Finally, the future is becoming more sustainable. The Stadler Rail hydrogen train recently set a Guinness World Record by traveling over 2,800 kilometers on a single tank of hydrogen. This proves that the future of transport is not just automated, but eco-friendly. As these machines move from laboratories to our streets and homes, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for a world where technology and humanity are one and the same? The future isn't coming. It's already here.